It's tax day, which means one of two things. You're either thinking, boy, I'm glad I got my taxes done early, or you're freaking out as you're scrambling to find all those missing receipts and deductions. Well, if you're the procrastination type, then I give you permission to stop watching, because every minute counts. For everyone else, let me show you how to make an easy breakfast bake that'll make any day less taxing. We start with one of my favorite supermarket shortcuts, a package of refrigerated buttermilk biscuits. We cut each biscuit into 6 pieces and set them aside. Now, we combine some eggs, a bit of milk, some sliced scallions, and a little salt and pepper. After beating it all together, we add a good amount of shredded Italian cheese and some diced ham. Yep, 2 more supermarket shortcuts. We then toss the biscuits with our egg mixture, and once everything is well combined, we pour it into a casserole dish and pop it into the oven to bake. Once it sets up, we top it with even more cheese and back into the oven it goes. Serve this hot out of the oven with a steaming pot of coffee and some fresh fruit for a breakfast that'll have you smiling from ear to ear, even on tax day. To get the recipe for our super easy ham and cheese breakfast bake, simply check out our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a less taxing way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm.